am Tegeler Community School.
I am TCS.
Back in the days we wanted everything, Mama said, burn your biography.
I am Tegeler Community School.
Light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day we wanted everything.
We are Tegeler Community School. We are TCS.
I am Tegeler Community School.
I am Tegeler Community School.
I'm a Dobie High School student and I am Tegeler Community School.
I am TCS.
Are you struggling in school? Would you like to investigate other options? You have a choice. Consider Tegeler Community School.
Tegeler is a centrally located school of choice, available to Pasadena ISD students in 8th through 12th grade. Our goal is to provide a top quality education to students who are behind academically and who want an opportunity to catch up with their grade level.
At the heart of Tegeler Community School are the pathways we offer our students.
Accelerate, ascend, and achieve. These pathways are designed to provide students with the skills, knowledge, and experiences they need to graduate and excel in their future. Accelerate is for 8th graders who need to catch up with grade level peers on academic credit. Ascend is for 9th, 10th, and 11th graders who need to catch up with grade level peers on academic credit. Achieve is for 12th grade students at risk of not graduating. Tegeler Community School's pathways offer the opportunity for short-term enrollment of 1 semester or 1 school year for students zoned to Pasadena ISD schools who are willing to commit to the campus expectations for attendance and performance. Tegeler Community School is centrally located with a small campus of 300 students. It offers a dynamic, engaging learning environment, bus transportation, and the free and reduced lunch program. Tegeler Community School offers small class sizes with 15 to 17 students in core subject area classes, built-in time for intervention and enrichment, and acceleration opportunities to help you catch up and prepare for the demands of high school and beyond. Students interested in attending Tegeler need to talk with your school counselor today.
Tegeler Community School, a different way of going to school.